Hey everyone, welcome back. In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to create tasks in ClickUp in 2026. Tasks are the core of ClickUp, so once you understand this part, you'll be able to manage almost everything inside the platform. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign into your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you're using SO, just select your provider and log in. After signing in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces and lists are available. Now navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want to create a task. Tasks are always created inside a list, so make sure you're in the correct one. Once you're there, click on the Add Task button. A new task will instantly appear. Start by giving your task a clear name. This should describe the work in a simple way so anyone can understand it at a glance. Next, assign the task to yourself or a team member by selecting an assignee. This makes ownership clear. No confusion later. After that, set a due date. Due dates help ClickUp organize tasks on calendars, timelines, and reminders. You can also add a priority level, like low, normal, high, or urgent, so important tasks stand out. Now open the task details. Inside the task, you can add a description to explain what needs to be done. You can also add checklists to break the task into smaller steps, attach files, and add custom fields if your workspace uses them. Statuses are another key part. Each task has a status like to do, in progress, or complete. Updating the status helps everyone track progress in real time. You can drag tasks between statuses in board view or update them directly inside the task. If you need collaboration, use comments. You can mention teammates, leave updates, or ask questions directly on the task so everything stays in one place. Finally, review your task and make sure all details are set correctly. Once saved, the task becomes part of your workflow and shows up in views, dashboards, and reports automatically. And that's it. That's how to create tasks in ClickUp in 2026, step by step. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next